In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Creative Cloud subscription using a redeem code. If you've recently purchased a subscription card or received a redemption code, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can redeem your code and get started without confusion. First, open your web browser and search for the Adobe redemption page. You can use any major browser you're comfortable with. When searching, make sure you're looking for the official Adobe redemption page so you land in the right place and avoid any unofficial websites. Once the search results appear, click the correct Adobe link. It should take you to the official redemption page where Adobe allows you to activate products using a code. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're on the official Adobe website before moving forward. After the page opens, look through the list of available products and select Creative Cloud. This is an important step because Adobe offers different kinds of products and services, and choosing the correct option ensures your code is applied properly to the right subscription. Next, you may be prompted to log in. If that happens, sign into your Adobe account. This step connects the redeemed subscription to your account, which is how Adobe keeps track of your access and downloads. If you're not already signed in, just enter your account details and continue. Make sure you use the account where you want the subscription to be activated. Once you're signed in, you'll see a box where you can enter your 24-character redemption code. Carefully type or paste the code into the field exactly as provided. Since these codes are long, it's worth taking an extra moment to check for mistakes before submitting. A small typo can prevent the code from working, so verify each section if needed. After entering the code, click Redeem Code. At that point, Adobe will process the code and apply the Creative Cloud subscription to your account. If everything is entered correctly, the activation should complete in just a moment. When the redemption is successful, you may see a Get Started button. Click that to automatically trigger the download for the Creative Cloud desktop application. This app is what you'll use to install, manage, and update Adobe applications included with your subscription, so it's a helpful next step right after activation. And that's it. Once your code is redeemed and the desktop app begins downloading, you're ready to move on to installing your Creative Cloud apps and using your subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.